Hello, dear students, good morning. Today we will see chapter number 4 from Political and Social Science, Understanding Laws. Now, you all are familiar with this word laws. To run smoothly a nation or a country, the laws are very much necessary, and you all are familiar with some laws regarding traffic, regarding your property, regarding public property, etc. If we talk about laws, why laws are necessary? Laws are necessary for a proper management. I will give one example. For example, in school, some rules and regulations are there. Why? That, for example, in school, one rule is there that you cannot talk in class, or you cannot go there, you cannot uh, misuse in class. So why these rules are there in school? For a proper management, for a good discipline, these kind of rules are there to keep you, to keep the students in control. Some rules are made in school. In the same way, for the smooth governance, some laws are necessary. Let's discuss the point, do laws apply to all? मीन्स क्या कायदे कानून सबके लिए होते हैं? वेदर दे आर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट और अ कॉमन सिटीजन, डू द लॉज अप्लाई टू ऑल? यस. Whether I am a prime minister or president or a chief minister, laws are same for all the citizens of the nation. If I am on the post of prime minister and if I committed any crime or any work which is prohibited in our nation, I will be punishable. So, in this sense, we can say that laws are applied to all. Here, one situation is given. A government official helps his son to go into hiding because his son has been given a 10-year jail sentence by a district court for a crime that he has committed. So here, one question is, do you think that government officials' actions were right? Should his son be exempt from the law just because his father is economically and politically powerful? So, the answer of both the questions are no. Why? with as a political leader or as a government official, it is your duty to follow the rules and regulations which are made as per the constitution, which we can say law. Whether, for example, if I am a prime minister and if my son is committed any crime, so I cannot use my power status to free him or to hide him. I have to support the government, the judiciary, because if I am, for example, if I am doing this kind of act, it is not a good example for others. So, as a political leader or as a political person, it is my duty to follow the laws. So, this is a clear case of violation of law, we can say. मतलब यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये सीधे सीधा एक एग्जाम्पल है कि यहाँ पे ये जो पॉलिटिकल लीडर है उसकी पावर का यूज़ करके कायदे का उल्लंघन कर रहा है। कायदे जो सबके लिए अच्छे एक ही समान होते हैं, चाहे मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूँ, मतलब प्रधानमंत्री हूँ या प्रेसिडेंट हूँ या चीफ मिनिस्टर हूँ, कायदे सबके लिए, या एक कॉमन पर्सन हूँ, कायदे जो है सबके लिए एक समान होते हैं। अगर मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर हूँ और मेरे से अगर कोई गलती होती है जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन या कायदे के विरुद्ध है, तो मुझ पे भी कार्रवाई हो सकती है। सो laws are applied to all. In this case, we can say, as you read in Unit 1, members of the Constituent Assembly were agreed there should be no arbitrary exercise of power in independent India. Arbitrary exercise means you cannot change the rule for anyone. You cannot use or your power against law. So these kind of things are mentioned in our constitution. They therefore instituted several provisions in constitution that would establish the rule of law. The most important of these was that all persons in independent are equal before the law. As I said, laws are same for all the caste, for all the creed, for all the religions, all the citizens. These laws are not discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, creed, or gender. What the rules of law means is that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. Means law, you are not above the law. Law is for you. Understand? Law is for you. You are not above the law. Means whatever you are doing, you have to do as per the law. For example, if I will give you an example. For example, if I want to buy land, so for buying a land, some rules and regulations, some procedures are there as per new bill. So the process whichever is there, I have to follow. So I am not beyond the law. I am nothing against the law. Neither a government official nor a wealthy person nor even the president of the country is above the law, as I said. Any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment as well as a process through which the guilt of a person has to be established. But was it always be like this? No. The answer is no. Some persons, some leaders are using their powers, their status, and they will be free from the punishment. They are not getting any punishment. So this thing is wrong. In ancient India, there were innumerable and often overlapping local laws. Different communities enjoy different degrees of autonomy and in administering these laws among their own. So, in ancient time, many communities were there. They have their own groups. They have their own princely states. So they have their own rules. Local rules are there. But now in modern India, all rules are same from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. For all, the laws are same. It is not like ancient India. So till here we discuss today. We will see more about this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.